Hey, welcome to this new section. Throughout the lectures of this section, you are going to learn computer vision with Python. I'll explain computer vision in a minute. That's what you're going to learn in this section, and then in the next section we'll build an application that detects moving objects from the computer webcam and stores and visualizes the times when the objects entered and exited the video frame. So that's an application area of computer vision. Now, maybe you have an idea of what computer vision is, but if not, I'll explain it now. So, computer vision is the field that deals with acquiring and processing images, and it makes decisions based on them, on the images. So, you pass an image to the computer, and the computer tries to understand it, and it can do certain things, such as it can tell you how many faces there are in the image, and what color dominates the image, and so on. Now, computers are dumb. I mean, you have to tell them what to do exactly. And that's where Python comes in. We'll use Python to load images and process them and do things like face and motion detection. Now, vision includes both images and videos, because videos are simply stacks of images that show very fast. So computers, and therefore Python, use the same commands to read images and videos. And you can do computer vision with Python using openCV. openCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision, and it's a library used not only in Python but in other programming languages as well to do computer vision tasks. So in this section, I'll introduce you to openCV, and you'll learn how to use it by detecting faces from images. And then in the next section, we'll dive deeper and process videos with openCV and detect moving objects in real-time webcam video. That's about this lecture, and let's move on and quickly set up openCV in the next lecture, then work with it after that. So yeah, thanks, and see you in the next lecture.